Hi there. If you like crisp, bright autumn weather, you'll like what's on offer today across most of the UK. It's going to be a cold start to the day, especially for northern Scotland, -4 to -6 Celsius. A few freezing fog patches for northern Scotland, Northern Ireland as well, and some showers about first thing, but actually they ease away into the afternoon. For many places, it's blue skies for much of the afternoon, and it's going to feel fresh out there, 6 to 8 Celsius in the north, 10 to 12 further south. But by this stage in the afternoon, the clouds are already gathering across Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest. Outbreaks of rain returning to Cornwall as well as Pembrokeshire, and that rain through the evening becoming widespread across Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, increasingly heavy with a strengthening wind. Initially clear spells for the first part of the night in the east and the northeast, temperatures dipping in northeast Scotland down to -2 Celsius before the rain and wind arrive by the end of the night. As that rain sets in, of course, it's going to turn milder, with some places starting Saturday in the double figures, but it is also going to be windy and wet, so it's not going to feel very pleasant out there as we begin the weekend. We've got this weather system moving in, wrapped around an area of low pressure which is heading towards Scotland, and this weather front is bringing some milder air with it, but as you can see by the tightly packed isobars, it's also bringing very unsettled conditions. So a wet and windy start for most of us on Saturday. The rain falling onto saturated ground towards the southwest, parts of Wales, could cause some issues. But the heaviest of the rain does move through by lunchtime, pushing into eastern and then clearing eastern parts by the end of the day. Elsewhere, it stays largely cloudy, a lot of low cloud hugging the hills, but it's also going to stay blustery with further heavy showers pushing into Scotland and Northern Ireland, perhaps the odd rumble of thunder here as well. In between, some drier and possibly brighter interludes, but all in all, it is a windy, cloudy and at times soggy day. But it's also a mild day, 15 Celsius in the south, 9, 10, 11 in the far north. Now that moves through, and by Sunday we're back to a mixture of clear spells and blustery showers. It also stays mild on Sunday, but a trend back towards average, or perhaps later next week, below average temperatures are expected.